Investing in the American stock market can provide an opportunity to grow your wealth over time. Here's a guide on how to invest in the American stock market. Educate yourself. Start by learning the basics of investing in stocks, including concepts like stock exchanges, market indices, company valuation, and fundamental analysis. Familiarize yourself with financial statements and market trends. Set investment goals. Determine your investment goals such as wealth accumulation, retirement planning, or funding specific financial objectives. Clarifying your goals will help you make informed investment decisions. Choose a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account with a reputable financial institution or an online brokerage platform. Ensure the brokerage offers access to the US stock market and provides the tools and resources you need for investing. Research and select stocks. Conduct thorough research on companies you're interested in investing in. Consider factors like their financial health, growth prospects, competitive advantage, and industry trends. Use financial news, company reports, and analyst recommendations as sources of information. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and market capitalizations to reduce risk. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from the potential volatility of individual stocks. Decide on investment strategy. Determine whether you want to pursue a passive investing strategy, such as investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, or an active investing strategy where you select individual stocks based on your research and analysis. Monitor and review your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and company news that may impact your investments. Practice risk management. Consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and use trailing stop orders to protect gains. Establishing a risk tolerance and sticking to it is crucial for long-term success. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing in the stock market requires discipline and patience. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Maintain a long-term perspective and focus on the fundamentals of the companies you invest in. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investment strategies or lack the time to manage your investments, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor who specializes in stock market investments.